So I've got 2 eggs, and so I'm going to lightly beat them. These are my eggs, lightly beaten. My wok is hot at the moment, so I'm going to put some stir-fry oil in. And then I'm going to add this egg in. And this is to just cook the egg. I've actually turned the stove down a bit because it's too in the oil. I'm gonna take it out. So I'm gonna put it in a plate, and I'm gonna add it back. I'm gonna do a bit more. Sliced up carrots, some green beans and spring onions, white onion with bell pepper and garlic. I'll go in. Saute. I'm gonna cover this to let it steam a bit because I want them to be cooked. So now I'm gonna add the rice. Prawns, see? They're okay now to add the rice. So this rice was cooked yesterday. So there we have it, rice. Add my rice. Make sure it's flatten out all the lumpy ones. So I'm going to add a bit of seasoning. I've got some Chinese spice. Just going to add a little bit to that. And some ginger powder, just a little. Now I am going to add soy sauce. Soy sauce. Now this makes it really better. Really nice. So when this is more come together and the rice is eat through, I'm gonna add the egg. When this is more come together and the rice is eat through, I'm gonna add the egg. Okay. That looks good. So I'm now going to add the egg. So that's it. Stir fry, shrimp stir fry with broccoli, green beans, eggs. I will list all my ingredients in my description. There we have it. A quick stir fry, good for leftovers, you know, like if you've got any food, any rice left over. This is perfect for a leftover rice. You can use. There we have it. Quick stir fry. I hope you like this video. Please remember to like and share it if you find it interesting. Turn your post notification on for the next time I upload a video, and also subscribe for more meal ideas and my tips and little tricks.